The village mouse goes to town. Once there lived a mouse in a village. His friend, the town mouse, had come to visit him. The town mouse complained about the boring village life. There are big houses and many things to eat in the town, he boasted. Before leaving, the town mouse invited his friend to visit him and see his luxurious life. Soon after, the village mouse visited his town friend who lived in the kitchen of a merchant's house. They had just sat down to eat when they heard dogs barking. Both of them scurried into a hole. "What was that?" asked the village mouse. The town mouse whispered, "Those are the master's dogs." When the dogs had left, the mice resumed their dinner. The village mouse said, "Is this a luxurious life? I am much happier with simple food. I live a peaceful life without fear." Then he went back to the village. The mice that chewed iron. Once there lived a merchant in a village. One day he left for the town to start a new business. Before leaving, he requested his friend to keep a heavy iron balance until he returned. After a year, the merchant visited his friend and asked for his iron balance. The friend said, "There are many mice at my home. They ate it." The merchant knew that mice can't eat iron. While leaving, he said, "Send your son along. I will give him the gift I have brought for you." The friend agreed. The merchant took the boy and left. At night, the friend was worried as his son hadn't returned. He went to the merchant's house and asked about his son. The merchant replied, "On our way, a hawk swooped down and carried him away." The friend realized his mistake. He returned the iron balance and took his son back home. The farmer and the snake. There was a poor farmer. Although he worked hard, his fields were barren. One day, while resting under a tree, he saw a snake in a hole in the tree. He thought, "This snake must be the guardian of the field. If I serve him, my field will become fertile." The next day, he brought a bowl of milk and said, "O snake, please bless me." The snake drank the milk and left him a gold coin. This went on daily. One day, the farmer left for the city. He told his son, "Feed the snake daily." The son fed the snake, and when it left him a gold coin, he thought, "Tomorrow I shall kill the snake and take all the gold coins." The next day, while offering milk, he hit the snake with the stick. The snake escaped, but he bit the farmer's son and punished him for being greedy. A friend in need is a friend indeed. In a forest there lived 4 friends: a deer, a mouse, a turtle, and a crow. Every day they would meet by the lake. One day the deer did not come. When the crow flew over the forest, he found the deer trapped in a hunter's net. He came back and told the mouse and the turtle about their friend. The mouse scurried to the place and the turtle followed. The mouse freed the deer by gnawing at the net. Just then the hunter was approaching. He saw the turtle and caught him instead. The other three friends thought of a plan to rescue him. The hunter had reached the river bank when he saw a dead deer in his path. He put down the turtle and went to the deer. Just then the crow cawed and the deer escaped. Then he turned around to find the turtle sliding into the river.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.